Yeah, baby.
We're coming into land at Heathrow Airport. Not been a bad flight at all.
2 years.
Yeah, 2 years since we've been out of the USA. Looking forward to it. It's sunny. Take a look down below.
At the cottage. And as you know, I'm an animal lover, and I had the dogs in.
The neighbour, not the neighbour, the owner's dogs.
The owner's dogs.
Yeah.
Puke.
They puked. One of them puked.
And
You got overexcited.
And there's my hubs, who just winked at me. And that couch is really comfy. Nice big TV. Oh, your eyes look very blue. Of course, I have to make the bed every single day, vacation or not.
Is that Molly or is it the
I
other
don't know,
one?
but she knows a picture is being taken.
Look at this Jinxie.
Oh my God, that's adorable, that dog. Are you a girl or a boy? Huh? Yeah. Oh, it's a girlie. You're a beautiful girl. You're a beautiful girl. I miss dog. Come here, look. Baby. Oh. Oh God, I'm gonna take you home. I'm gonna take you home with me. I am. Look at that sweet animal. You got flowers in your. You eat the flowers, don't you? Are you videoing?
Yes, I am, dear. And oh, what's it called? Here is our pretty cottage at Moorland View, near Baslow, and it's pretty nice. Mutual photographs.
Video of me as well. Here we are in Baslow, UK, and there's my hubby taking a possible video of me as well. It's really a cute, kind of scattered little village. What river is this, honey?
The river, the big one, the Derwent.
This is the Derwent River.
This is the cute Eden Saw tea rooms near Chatsworth. And then if I just move up here, there is Eden Saw Church.
The hidden hate.
Hair.
Hair.
Hidden hair.
You videoing?
Chatsworth Farm Shop.
Their prices.
They're not too bad, are they?
Maybe the ice cream's a little much, but.
Hey, I had a bad day, and I wondered how it tastes. So I ate, and then I served myself a second plate. Hey, I had a bad week, and I wonder if it's sweet. So I'll eat, 'cause I deserve to give myself a treat. Sadness tastes like French fries, and anger tastes like wine. They're only grapes, but give them time. Hey, I had a bad night, so I wrapped it up in pie and let it bake. So all my feelings taste like tender flake. Oh joy, my mom just called and she's appalled because my dad.
I am where there's plagues. Probably got awakened by 5G. So we have to be careful. Don't let the germs know.
Don't like the Germans, huh?
The germs.
I'm going to go down the hill and explore the village.
Oh, it's cold in here.
Stone. Here is Iron Church School. Talking of the plague, if you look on the bottom there, it says, "Ring a roses, a pocket full of posies.
Oh, God.
A tissue, we all fall down." champagne, sweetie. A cool hat.
Quack, quack. Ducky, ducky. Oh, you guys pick me up too. Quack, quack. Ready?
You belong among the wildflowers. You belong in a boat out at sea. Sail away, kill off the hours.
Beautiful.
You belong somewhere you feel
Wow.
free. Run away, find you a lover. Go away, somewhere all bright and new. I have seen no other who compares with you. You belong among the wildflowers. You belong in a boat out at sea. You belong with your love on your arm. You belong somewhere you feel free. Run away, go find a lover. Run away, let your heart be your guide. You deserve the deepest of cover. You belong in that home by and by. You belong among the wildflowers.
Maisie, say hello, baby. We're so beautiful. Yeah, you're a very happy girl, aren't you? Come on. Come on. Hey, Maisie, what you doing? What you doing? She's up the stairs. There she goes. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Come on, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Where's your little sister, Maisie? Where's your little sister?
You're beautiful.
Where's your sister, Maze? Huh?
Chunky.
Oh, Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, there's a shot. The dog who eats dandelions.
Yeah.
My God, she's big. There's Maisie, Molly. We're eating dinner and they just burst in. Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Go on. Go on, guys. Oh, you're just a sweetheart. I'm gonna have to stop the video.